Hi there, welcome back to 305 Tech. This is Will. If this is your first time, thank you for joining. If you are an existing subscriber, welcome back. So in this boring cardboard box, we have a Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic keyboard. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of this keyboard. Stay tuned. I am not sure if there is a retail box, a retail packaging of this keyboard, but I actually prefer this type of packaging since they are using recycled cardboard.
Okay, I'm sure I'm doing this wrong. It's okay.
So as you can see, this is some type of support system that will surely clip on the bottom here. Let's get this open and see what's inside. Okay, so here is the wireless dongle receiver. And pretty cool that it brings that the AAA batteries are included and they are of Duracell brand. So this is magnetic and it will just click into place, and the magnets are pretty strong, which is great. Now let's take a look and see what kind of battery this brings. In order to do so, you're gonna have to remove the screw and you will need a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna just have to force this because I'm not, there it goes. Okay, so yeah, you just pop it out. So the number pad uses a CR2430 battery. You can just get a giant pack of those in Amazon.
And you gotta pull this out before you can activate it. There you go.
So this function button, I guess it toggles between, if you have it to the left, which is a blue, you're gonna be using all of these hotkeys. And then if you slide it to the white, then it'll just serve as, for example, F1, F2, F3, and so on. And this appears to be the only button on the keyboard. There does not appear to be any type of power button or light indicator. Let's see how it feels. So if you're used to typing with a natural keyboard, I would say that this will be a good choice for you. The keys feel nice. They do have a bit of travel. They're very quiet. You know, these are your typical chiclet type of keys. Nothing special about them, but I do think they feel pretty good. They have a decent amount of travel and they are very quiet. Oh, there is a light indicator right here. Actually, I just saw it. Not sure when it comes on or off, but we just saw it here. I also like the fact that the keyboard is split in half, so you can hit it with this either with your right thumb or your left thumb. Some of the older Microsoft keyboards, if you can remember, you had to hit the entire space bar, and so when you would hit it here, it would shift all this way, or if you hit it here, it would shift all this way. It was really annoying, not a good product. Overall, I would say that this is a really nice design by Microsoft. And for sure, I do recommend this if this is the type of keyboard that you're looking for and you are used to typing with a natural or ergonomic shape. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, share it with a friend, leave any comments down below. I do read all of your comments. If you are planning on getting one of these keyboards, please consider using the Amazon Associates link down below. It does help the channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Will from 305 Tech, and I will see you next time.